Welcome back to our retail corner here at Panasonic Campus Munich. Very interesting topic today, personalized AI-driven projection. Let's see.
Collaborating with ADEAL Systems, a leader in data analytics and AI, Panasonic has revolutionized the in-store shopping experience. The integration of personalized AI-driven digital signage directly into supermarkets is transforming the way businesses engage with customers. By harnessing data on shopper demographics, preferences, and contextual information such as weather or local events, the system dynamically tailors advertisements displayed on in-store screens. This partnership combines Panasonic's state-of-the-art camera and display solutions with ADEAL Systems' AI-driven personal shopping assistant, customer segmentation as a service, ushering in a new era of unparalleled shopping experiences.
Great enhancements for the industry. See you next time with more useful insights.